Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open Discord on desktop or mobile to start. On desktop, look to the bottom left. Click the User Settings gear icon next to your avatar to open settings. On mobile, tap your avatar in the bottom right to open settings. These steps always start the only correct route to change theme in Discord. In Settings, scroll to find the Appearance section and open it. Under Theme, select the light option to apply it immediately. The interface updates right away across every server and private message. You do not need to restart Discord or rejoin servers. This appearance route is the only way to switch to light mode in the official app. If the theme fails to change, first check for app updates and install them. If issues persist, clear the app cache or reinstall Discord to force fresh settings. Remember, there is no global keyboard shortcut that toggles light mode for you. The only supported method is using Settings Appearance Theme and selecting Light. After these steps, light mode should remain active until you change it again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.